cost of ownership and maintenance is a fraction of the price of a conventional aircraft, compact and easy to set up. All parts and training is supplied directly from ProWings Africa. Quick and simple planning software can be used before application in the field. Our drones are ideal for the use in fields that are not easily accessible by tractors or aircraft. These drones can also achieve a spray rate fairly easily of 20 to 30 hectares per day. The whole system is used in autonomous flight for safe and easy application throughout the whole process. Our drones have various modes, such as fully autonomous, simple AB mode, or manual, whichever is preferred. Robust, modular, and has a high IP67 rating.